Let's be honest. Being a student is overwhelming. You have to handle research, writing, note-taking, problem-solving, and now you have to worry about AI detection too. Most students these days use 5 to 10 tools that cost over hundreds of dollars each per year. That's where studybundle.com comes in. It's the ultimate back-to-school AI bundle that includes powerful tools that cover all of your academic needs, from research writing to note-taking to problem-solving and more. Our bundle tackles every major challenge students face. Writing and editing papers got you stressed? Jenni streamlines the entire writing process with smart citations, reference management, and powerful paraphrasing tools. Struggling with complex math problems? Mathos lets you type in or simply upload a photo of your math problem and does all of the solving for you. Need better organization during lectures and research? Notilo lets you chat with your YouTube or lecture videos and helps you create and manage your notes efficiently so everything is structured and organized. Want to capture ideas on the go? Voicepal lets you brainstorm and voice out your thoughts anywhere, instantly transforming them into polished content. Citations and bibliographies taking forever? Citesure generates accurate references, verifies information, and populates bibliographies effortlessly. Worried about academic integrity? GPTZero ensures your work meets standards with advanced AI detection and plagiarism checks. Each one of these tools solve a specific pain point, but together they complete the most complete academic support system that you'll ever need. Now here's the crazy part. Normally, all of these tools would cost over $1,300 per year, but with this bundle, you can get them for only $149. We're talking 40 cents per day for all of these tools that students and researchers are calling game changers. Don't just take my word for it. Tens of millions of students and researchers use these tools on a daily basis. See, school is starting soon, and you have two choices. 1, struggle with outdated methods and expensive individual tools, or 2, join the millions of students who've transformed their academic journey with all of these tools in the bundle. Head to studybundle.com right now. Link is in the description.